Hello everyone. Last time we told you about the single direction valve, single coil direction valve, and now we are going to tell you here the double coil valve. You can see here that this is the solenoid of your double coil, and this is the center close valve. That P is closed, T closed, and A closed, and B closed because all port are closed here. Last time that function was here that P was with B and A was with B. That I told you that last in our last video that what is the function of this valve. So now this time we will give the idea how to it will work and how can use this valve in our circuit. So now you can see that first we will go with this valve. So this is the center close valve. You can see here that P. This is the P is closed, that you can see here, and look here that this is the close, and at the behind portion the P is here, and this is the T port and A and B as well. So this is the two plunger here, both sides. So both dimension are same. So this and this same spring. So when we it will be fixed, so pressure will be equal both sides. So it will be at middle. Your plunger will be stay in middle. So P will be closed. So that time P is closed, and you can see that this is also that block. So no oil will cross another point. So that is the B, we can say that B close and A close as well. You can see here. So T is open now, and because your oil will not enter or pressure will not build in inside, so pressure will not go to A or B point. When we will give that coil will be here. So first we will talk to about the coil here. You can see that in this video, in this picture, this is the coil. That which type of coil we will use here. So we will explain here that this is the number of your valve number here. This is the model number, and this is the voltage. How much how many voltage it will be come here to operate this. So there are 3 points. Flat, forget this because this is for earthing purpose. You have to fix earth wire, and you have to give the voltage here. What voltage are required as per our specification of coil. So here you can see when you will give the current here. So that time when current will come, so I make this here that you can see that plunger will if this is working, so plunger will press this plunger here, because here is current, and the magnet will create through your coil. So that time it will be go downside. So B will met with A, and P will go to A. So now oil, what pressure is coming here, so that will be go to A point, and it will be work that A and B in our cylinder will move. If suppose A now pressure is coming to A, so it will be go downside. When suppose that we give the pressure current here, so that time it will be go this side. So now this side, when it will be go this side, so it will be P will be made B, so pressure will be here. So when pressure will come here, so that time it will be go upside. But that what oil inside this A point, it will be go A to T. So this is the T. So it will be go through T to our tank. Tank means drain. That what tank you have for your oil purpose. That oil in fill in the tank, and pump will take the oil. So in our coming video we will explain how a pump will take the oil from the your tank, and it will be create the pressure here, and how we will maintain the pressure of our hydraulic oil if we our circuit are not in use. So how we will do our with pressure sensor. So we will throw or or we will release, or so that there are many functions there. So this is the beginning of this. That last we told you about that circuit, how to control the circuit, how to make the control circuit. So this is the part of our machine. That in coming video you will find out that you have learned about your circuit and as well as your hydraulic circuit. Both will be equal. We will connect it both circuit, both things together, and we will develop one system in our machine, or we will make the machine and we will start and run our machine with production through this. How it will work, we will tell you in our coming video. So you can see that now that A met with B, so your oil will be good. If this time A and T is not met and pressure is going to B, so that time because pressure is here also and this is blocked, so not possibility that it will be go upside. So we have to select our valve accordingly our function. So now you can see here one more thing about check valve. This is the check valve. You can see here that last time we told you about the NRV. NRV of our we told about our hydraulic system and locking system there. So NRV means that not return valve. So if suppose we use this NRV at the bottom of our valve where we need lock our pressure. Suppose we don't want that after complete our circuit, we don't want to lose the pressure, leak the pressure in our cylinder or in our system. So we will fix this check valve. So you can see here that A side, this is A side and this is B side. So in A side, pressure will not go A to tank or leakage, and this is the B port. B port means that it will come from your cylinder side, so pressure will not take it. When you will operate your upper valve, this valve where current will become here A or B port, so that time it will be operated through P or T. So both portion will be operated, and that time your oil can come through A or can go through B. So when pressure will build in the side A or B side in your valve, that time it will work. Otherwise it will be closed and your pressure will be hold in your cylinder. So that is the function of our check valve. We use mostly in our presses where we need more pressure, that 180 or 140. So we use that pressure should not be leakage, so pressure will be maintained in our mold. So guys, I think you have learned here about this valve, and also we are using more type of valve that you can see that here that A, B and PT all portion are open. It means that pressure will come but go to A, B and as well T. So all portion are met here. So linked to each other. So when pressure will come, that time pressure will go to tank directly if A and B are not in use. So it means that we are using the pressure. We can use this valve as our master valve. Suppose we have to make some circuit. So that time we no need our pressure in next function. So we can release our pressure from here. Otherwise we can use another master valve. How we will make master valve? Our normal direction valve. How we will make master valve? I will tell you in our next video. And here you can see that the double coil valve. This is when pressure will come. So suppose that pressure will come. So that time this function will work. So forget this now, because P is here and T is here, A, B. Here you cannot see, but you have to imagine the P, A, B as well as, because here pressure when current will come, so it will work. When current will come this side, so this function will come, this will work. So we have to learn and we have to understand what is the working of our valve. I think if you will watch every video, each video carefully, so you can learn easily. And we will tell you how to make a electric control diagram of this. So next time I will explain. So guys, I think you like, and if you like, so please share and forward this our video to your another person. Thank you very much.